So this right here is a Porsche Cayenne, and this vehicle was involved in a front-head collision. Thank God for life. That's the most important thing. So guys, this is a new project, and this time around it's going to be massive and crazy. This is not just to restore the accident that happened, just to restore the body of the vehicle. We are taking advantage of the accident to do something crazy with this ride. The customer likes his vehicle different and unique. If you go out there, you will see almost the same type of Porsche Cayenne outside. All of them is similar, but this guy, he wants his car to be different, right? So he asked Froshtech, what can you do? And we told him, we have this special design that we can do for you. It's a little bit different from the regular Cayennes. So these are the body kit of this car. This is the front bumper, and this is the back bumper. This is this is not a regular type of Cayenne you've been seeing. So this is a 2023 Porsche Cayenne GTS body kit. This is a sport version of it, and you can see how the bumpers are already looking. You can see the difference. By the time we mount this on the vehicle, you're gonna see for yourself what we're doing on this car, and you can see those crazy looking exhaust tailpipe, and this is the trunk of the car. So we're going to be changing both the front and the rear of this vehicle. The fender is on his way. It should get here in no time. And currently, we are removing the trunk of the vehicle. We're going to take out the glass first before we lose the trunk out completely. Guys, you need to anticipate for this. This, I don't think I've seen in Lagos yet, but that's what we are bringing, this sporty vibe.
Stay tuned on next episode.